Hello students, now we are doing question number 10 of exercise 11.1. Now in this question we have oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. Some oranges are there and that are transferred from larger box into smaller boxes. Now when a large box is emptied, the oranges from it fill two smaller boxes and still 10 oranges remain outside. Suppose we have the bigger box like this. And from these bigger boxes, oranges are transferred to smaller boxes. Like this. And after transferring from bigger box to smaller two boxes, still 10 oranges left. If the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be x, here if we consider the number of orange in a small box is x, then what is the number of oranges in the larger box? We have to find that how many oranges are there in this box. So if we consider number of oranges in a small box is x, then the number of oranges in two smaller boxes, it will be 2x. So, let us consider, let the number of oranges in the small box be x. Now, how many small boxes are there? Number of small boxes. Number of smaller boxes is equals to 2. If in one box x number of oranges are there, then in two box number of oranges will be 2 into x, which is 2x. Therefore, number of oranges in two smaller boxes, it will be 2 into x, which is 2x. Now 2x is the total number of oranges in the smaller two boxes. Now after transferring into the smaller two boxes, still 10 oranges left. That means remaining oranges. Now we have to find the total number of oranges in the larger box. Now what we have observed that in the smaller two boxes we have the total number of oranges like this is the total number of oranges in the smaller two boxes, and after transferring to there we have 10 oranges left. That means with this number of oranges, if we add the remaining one, then we will get the total number of oranges in the larger box. So number of oranges in the larger box is equals to 2x plus 10. Here 2x is the total number of oranges in the smaller two boxes and 10 is the number of oranges left. And if we add these two, then we will get the total number of oranges in the larger box. So this was question number 10. Thank you students.